Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to find your saved reels on Facebook. Whether you've bookmarked a hilarious clip or an inspiring short video, locating your saved reels is simple. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once inside, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or name, usually located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the Videos section. You'll find it right above the Details section on your profile. Tap on Videos, and this will display all video-related options available to you. Now tap on Saved. This is where all the content you've saved on Facebook is stored, including Reels. Scroll through the list, and you'll be able to see all your saved Reels along with other saved posts and videos. And that's it! You've successfully accessed your saved Reels. From here, you can watch them again, share them with friends, or even organize them into collections for easier access later. Remember, saving Reels is a great way to keep track of content that inspires or entertains you. So don't hesitate to bookmark those gems whenever you come across them. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. See you in the next video.